Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to talk you through the key features of this carrier, the Deuter Kid Comfort baby carrier. For those of you that don't know anything about Deuter, it's just worth bearing in mind they've been around for over 100 years and they specialise in making rucksacks, sleeping bags, bike panniers. They really know their stuff when it comes to making packs, and they've been making baby carriers since the late 90s, and this is their latest version of their best-selling carrier, the Kid Comfort. There's an awful lot of features, so we'll get started at the front here with the harness from the adult perspective. So this is what you need to get right to fit you to make the most of getting out and about with a baby carrier. The harness is really adjustable, so my top tip for you is when you first get hold of the carrier is loosen off all the straps so you've not got any restrictions, and then you can get it nicely fitted to you. So the Deuter system here is the same on the Pro, and it's very, very adjustable. So you can actually adjust the height of the shoulder straps, and just by lifting this orange buckle, if you can see it behind the mesh, and then you just can pull them down like that so that you'll see a small, medium, large sort of level across the back. I'm just putting it down to small. I'm 5'6", and that's about the right size for me. In terms of who can wear the carrier, really anyone from say 5'2", if you bring it right down to its smallest settings, and we know someone who's 6'4" and uses this carrier no problem. So it's massively adjustable, so both parents, grandparents, whoever can wear the baby carrier. Right, I'm just going to pop it on my back now to show you the hip straps. Okay, so I've loosened everything off. So there we go. Right, so these are the hip fins here. They're nice and padded, and you want them to be sitting at the top of your hips. So the top of my hips are here. I'm putting it around here. Big Fastex buckle. If I fasten that, this is the bit I love. To adjust the hip waist belt, you just pull these straps forward like that. It's really easy, and you get a really nice, tight, secure fit, so that's not going anywhere. And this is where you're going to be taking most of the weight of your child, not from your shoulders, otherwise it really hurts after a while. So you want that nice and tight around your waist. You can get rid of these by tucking them behind this little pouch here. Just keep them out of the way. Okay, next, if I just turn sideways, you'll see the baby carriers hanging off the back here. So what I want to do is use this strap to pull it right forward. There we go, and the same on the other side. Oops, I can find it. There we go. Right, so now I brought the centre of gravity forward. So these shoulder straps are nice and tight, not too tight, taking a little bit of weight up here. I'm just going to pop the chest strap across here to stop them chafing on the sides of my arms. And most of the weight is going through my hips. It's really comfortable. I can move around, wiggle around. It's quite stable on the back there. No problems. Okay, great. So that's fitting it to yourself. Do take the time when you do that. It's really worth it. Because you can start using this carrier from when your baby can sit up unsupported. So that's anything from kind of 6 to 9 months of age. You'll know yourself as a parent. Up to a weight of 22 kilos. So that's quite a lot. So you're probably age 3 or 4. So when you first wear the harness, you're not really going to notice the weight of your child. But as they get heavier and heavier, you're really going to appreciate having a good quality harness here. So you can carry on walking for hours and not be crippled at the end of the day. Okay, so now let's look at the carrier from the baby's perspective. I'm just going to turn it around this way. We're not going to go into masses of detail in this video because it's quite difficult to see. But I'll just take you through the main points. So you've got this stand here, which I'm just going to pull out. So when you're getting your baby in the carrier, pull this out. It's nice and stable. You wouldn't want to leave them unattended in it, but having said that, it's pretty stable. It's not going to rock over easily. Right, main thing with putting your baby in is you need to make sure all the yellow buckles are done up to keep your baby safe. So this is the first one. You can open the side here. A nice little tip is you can actually pull that round and just tuck the buckle in a pocket here just to keep it out the way while you're sorting your baby. And then you've got another buckle here and 2 more buckles here. It's a bit like a car seat basically. This bit's adjustable, so you can, as your child grows, you can move the shoulder straps up. And this bit here, if I can just tilt it over, is the seat. Again, You start with that high, and as your child grows, you drop it down. So their head's not up here, you want to keep it about here. Other features are these guys. These are the foot straps. You either love them or hate them, but you can, when your child's little, you have them up here. Again, as they grow, you move down to this buckle here, and they can just put their feet in there. Some children like it, some children don't. Okay, let's take that back. And the other feature for your baby is this, the whole sort of cockpit, as we call it here, is really nice and padded. So if they fall asleep, this is all nice and soft. And this bit here, the sort of chin cushion, is a nice kind of velour fabric, really soft. Also, it can be removed. So if they dribble it all over it or spread their snack all over it, you can just unzip it from the back, chuck it in the washing machine, and it's back on. Right, the last thing to talk about is all the pockets, really, and the rain cover. So you've got a big pocket here, a massive under-seat pocket. You've got little mesh pocket here and the same on the other side, and then you had little pockets on the fins here and here for keeping your keys and your wallet in and whatnot. Also, with this carrier, it comes with a sunroof, which I've just got here. So if it's a nice hot day, you want to just pop this on, like so. Oof. There we go, push it down and pull it over. This really helps keep your child out of the sun, and you're not relying on them keeping their sun hat on their head, which is always a challenge. So there you go. And also, if it starts to rain or it's really windy, you can buy a rain cover, which is a separate accessory, and that goes over the top of this. It's bright green. It goes over the top with a little window here, so the child can look out. Okay, we'll just pop that off. There we go. And then once you've got your baby in the carrier and back on your back, you just push this back in like so. It's a bit more streamlined, and off you go. So these carriers are fantastic for just enabling you to get out and about with your child. You don't need to worry about stiles or mud to get pushchair wheels stuck in. So they really are a good investment, and they last. We had one of these. It went through 2 children. We passed it on to another family. It's gone through multiple children after that. They're built to last. They are a fantastic piece of kit. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Hope you found it informative. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please do. Also, we are on Instagram and Facebook. Many thanks.